In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and enhance your Wix site using the management tools and the Wix editor. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you add a personalized Wix chat feature to your site, which can significantly improve your customer engagement. First, let's start by navigating to Wix.com. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your account. This is your launchpad for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which serves as your central hub. From here, we'll access the Wix editor, the tool that allows you to make visual and functional changes to your site. In the dashboard, look for your site and open it up in the Wix editor. This tool is intuitive and provides a direct visual representation of how your site appears to visitors. On the left side, you'll find various icons, but today we'll focus on the app market. This icon looks like four small dots grouped together, and it's your gateway to a multitude of tools and extensions you can add to enhance your site. Next, you'll want to search for Wix Chat. Once it pops up in the search results, go ahead and click on it to begin the installation process. You'll see a button that says Add to Site. Clicking this will integrate the chat feature into your website, offering your visitors a direct line to interact with you or your support team. This feature is crucial for providing quick customer service and can greatly enhance visitor satisfaction. Once you've added Wix Chat to your site, click on it to enter the customization options. Here, you have the freedom to tailor the chat experience to match your brand, change the greeting text to something inviting, adjust the colors to align with your site's theme, and set availability hours to ensure that you're online when your visitors need you most. Remember, a personalized approach goes a long way in building rapport with your audience. Finally, after tweaking the chat settings to your liking, it's time to bring your updated site live by hitting the publish button. This step is essential because it ensures that all the modifications you've made are visible to your site visitors. Once published, you'll notice the chat icon appearing instantly on your site. That's it! You've successfully added a dynamic and interactive element to your Wix site, making it a more engaging platform for your visitors. Be sure to keep exploring the Wix editor and app market for more tools to enrich your site. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.